The experience I got from it was very eye-opening. What I thought I would get out of it was exact, but it was more intense. It went beyond my expectations. Just learning the different aspects of Zoho itself. The environment was a beautiful environment here, but the actual integration of all of the software systems that you do have to go with anything, it was fantastic.
We started using Zoho Books back in April of 2014, which I fell in love with. And then we just grew from there as the application grew. More features became available and we kept on adding. So we're looking into using more and more to help our business grow as we grow.
I think the one-on-ones is the best part about this entire session, being able to get down and dirty into every piece. Now, for most that attend, I think that the best thing for them is to give them a broad perspective of all of the different things that it can do, whereas for us, we kind of dive in and go test everything and try to break everything that we can, so we only needed the list of the things that we did break fixed.
This particular event actually helped us to put it all together.
With Zoho, it's so simple.